You want to know something crazy, guys? You see, a lot of people run away from rejection. They run away from hearing the word no, or people telling them, no, I can't do this. Listen, I'm in a business, right, where I face rejection every day. I got to hear people tell me no. I got to hear people say, I'm not interested. I hear more no's than yes every day. Does that discourage me? No. Did it used to hurt in the beginning? Absolutely. And I've learned that over the years is that rejection is just redirection. Sometimes we are getting rejected from things we want, but you don't understand that God is working on the things that you need. So sometimes your rejections is not really rejections. They're just redirections. It's redirecting you to the things you need. And that's why you just got to trust in God. That's why I put God first, family second, business third.